Welcome to our channel, where we explore the complexities of human relationships and provide you with practical tools to improve your love life. Today, we're going to discuss 2 essential love skills that can repair any relationship. Quick heads up, this is for educational purposes, so always do your own research.
As a psychologist, I've worked with numerous couples who were on the brink of collapse. But with the right skills and mindset, they were able to revive their relationship and build a stronger, healthier partnership.
So, what are these 2 love skills that can repair any relationship? The first skill is active listening. This means giving your full attention to your partner, without interrupting or judging them.
Active listening is not just about hearing the words, but also about understanding the underlying emotions and needs. It's about creating a safe space for your partner to express themselves without fear of criticism or rejection.
The second love skill is emotional validation. This means acknowledging and accepting your partner's emotions, even if you don't agree with their perspective. It's about showing empathy and understanding, rather than trying to fix the problem or offer solutions.
Emotional validation is crucial in any relationship, as it helps to build trust and intimacy. When we feel heard and understood, we feel seen and valued, and this can help to strengthen our bond with our partner.
Now, let's talk about how to apply these love skills in your daily life. One way to practice active listening is to set aside dedicated time to talk to your partner, without distractions or interruptions.
Another way to practice emotional validation is to use empathetic language, such as "I can see why you'd feel that way" or "that makes sense to me." This helps to create a safe and supportive environment for your partner to express themselves.
It's also important to remember that relationships are a two-way street. Both partners need to be willing to work on their love skills and communicate effectively in order to build a strong and healthy partnership.
So, what can you do if your partner is not willing to work on their love skills? One approach is to model the behavior you want to see in your partner, and to communicate your needs and desires clearly and respectfully.
Another approach is to seek outside help, such as couples therapy or counseling. A professional can provide you with the tools and support you need to navigate challenging situations and build a stronger relationship.
Remember, relationships take work and dedication, but the rewards are well worth it. By practicing active listening and emotional validation, you can build a stronger, healthier partnership and create a more fulfilling love life.
Now, let's talk about some common challenges that couples face, and how you can overcome them using these love skills. One common challenge is conflict, which can be a major obstacle in any relationship.
When conflicts arise, it's essential to use active listening and emotional validation to resolve the issue. This means listening to your partner's perspective, acknowledging their emotions, and working together to find a solution.
Another common challenge is intimacy, which can be affected by a range of factors, including stress, trauma, and communication issues. By practicing emotional validation and active listening, you can create a safer and more supportive environment for intimacy to flourish.
It's also important to remember that intimacy is not just about physical connection, but also about emotional and spiritual connection. By nurturing these different aspects of intimacy, you can build a more fulfilling and satisfying relationship.
In conclusion, the 2 love skills that can repair any relationship are active listening and emotional validation. By practicing these skills, you can build a stronger, healthier partnership and create a more fulfilling love life.
Remember, relationships take work and dedication, but the rewards are well worth it. By using these love skills, you can overcome common challenges and build a more intimate, fulfilling, and satisfying partnership.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on relationships and love skills.
If you have any questions or topics you'd like to discuss, please leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you and provide you with more tips and advice on building a stronger, healthier relationship.
If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tools for business and making money content. And if you want to dive deeper, you definitely need to watch our video on how to automate your life with AI next. The link is right there in the description. See you in the next one.